Hello and welcome to the Homework 0 screencast for DevOps. Our first task is to show that Node.js is in fact installed properly on our virtual machine. And next we will demonstrate the shared folder functionality. As we can see, when we create a file in the virtual machine, it appears on the host machine in the designated directory as well. And when we remove it, it is also removed from that directory. Next, we'll demonstrate that our post commit hook is working properly. As you can see, we're in the hooks directory, and this is the contents of our post commit file. Very simple. Now we'll make a commit, and it should open to my GitHub as soon as the commit's made. Next, we'll demonstrate that the post receive hook is working properly. So we'll make a push to the remote we've created. We can see the files appear in that directory, and the message push to production appear in the terminal. I've also included a line to go ahead and run npm install to install the node packages when we make a push to that directory. Finally, we'll just demonstrate that the application is running successfully in the production www environment. As you can see, that's the directory we're in. We're running the main.js file with the 9000 port number, and as we can see, it's running properly. And as we can see, the app also shuts down properly.